Hi friends, my name is Ganga Dunjan. I'm from Medova Salon and Spa. Today I'm just going to show you like how to fix your extensions to show a little more longer your hair, and probably to show more thickness, to have a more volume. You can just add it one more from the top also. Okay, so I have taken this first section here. Here I'm going to fix it one length one, so it's not too down and it's not too high also. It's just just to show more length long. And another one I kept ready here. This I'm going to fix it little on top, so it will just show a little more volume there. So this is like to show more length, and this is in between, it will just come like that. So from that line again I've just separated this small subsection here. So this I'm going to spray and just back comb it. Normally there is a 2-3 ways is there. So this is one way, and there is other way also there. I normally braid this small subsection in this way, or maybe this part we can just braid it, and wherever the clips is coming you can just braid it there, and we can fix it there. So there is in this extension there is like tic tac clips are there, small tiny clips. So wherever there is a clips, that part you can just back comb it like this, and then we have to fix it there, so it will be more secure, it doesn't fall. Or there is another way also there to fix it there. We can just braid it where there exactly we are going to fix it. So the second section should not go more high than this, otherwise it will be difficult to just hide it, that clips and the extension part. Again, just take a thin section, spray it. So this generally for a photo shoot, or for just for a ram walk for some time, we can just do this temporary, just back comb it and do. Otherwise for a long time, those who are in a party, for night party, or for them it won't be that much secure, so we can just braid it that part, and we can just fix it. It will be more secure actually. So this I'm just fixing here, so it will just show more volume. The previous one I just fixed it here to show more volume. So if I not fix it, this doesn't show like blended. So you can just keep it in one side. It's like blissful look, and you can have it nice volume from the top. This side swinging bang, you can just keep it like that. So hope you like it, this hair extensions in today's episode, and hope this will be more helpful for you. So for more ideas and for more videos, keep watching our shows in Terrific Dresses.